In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram posts using Canva in 2025. We'll walk through the full process from opening Canva to getting your post ready for Instagram, and I'll share simple tips along the way so your design looks clean and professional. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Instagram Post 1080 by 1080. This square size is the standard for feed posts and ensures your design looks sharp without awkward cropping. Next, decide whether you want to start with a template or a blank canvas. Templates are great when you want a fast, polished starting point. You can search by theme like sale, announcement, quote, or travel and pick a style that matches your brand. If you prefer full control, choose a blank canvas and build from scratch. Now add your content. Click to add text for headlines or captions and use the Uploads tab to bring in your own photos. You can also explore Canva's photos and elements libraries to drop in images, shapes, stickers, icons, or lines. Keep your focal point clear. Place your main message where it's easy to read and avoid overcrowding. If you add multiple elements, think in layers. Background first, then imagery, then text on top. Customize your fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand or the mood of the post. Choose one or two complementary fonts, adjust sizes for hierarchy, and use bold or italics sparingly for emphasis. For colors, stick to a simple palette so the design feels cohesive. Use alignment guides and spacing tools to keep everything balanced, and make sure there's enough contrast between text and background for readability. Before saving, preview your design. Zoom out to see the whole composition, check for typos, and make sure important details won't be hidden by the Instagram interface. If something feels cluttered, give it more breathing room or simplify the elements. When you're happy, click Share in the top right, then Download to save your post. PNG is a solid choice for crisp quality, while JPG keeps file sizes smaller. Keep the dimensions at 1080 by 1080 pixels to preserve clarity on Instagram. Finally, upload it to your Instagram account. On your phone, open the app, tap the plus button, choose your image, make any final adjustments, add a caption, and post. You can also upload via Instagram.com on desktop if that's easier. And that's it. That's how you create Instagram posts in Canva 2025. Thanks for watching.